Let's give it up for Alipearl for doing such an amazing job on this hairline. We done went from cornrows to a middle part, from a middle part to a side part, ultimately ending in a half up, half down, which turned out really nice. So let's just hop right into it, y'all. Here we have the wig straight out of the packaging, the hairline in all its glory. The knots on this wig do come bleached. The hairline also comes pre-plucked. They give you two combs in the front, a comb in the back with the adjustable strap, a little bit of lace, and they also give you a adjustable elastic band that you can remove if you like. And you can also wear this wig glueless. Now I am going to be cutting out these combs just to make the wig lay a little bit flat, but as you can see, for the most part the wig is already laying flat. Only thing you need to do is cut off the lace. The wig already comes pre-styled where the curls are just curling. But for the most part, I do show you a couple styles I do with this wig. I definitely enjoy wearing this wig. Y'all, the fullness, if you wanted to cut layers into this wig, this will be a wig to cut layers into. Like the top where the lace is not giving overly thick, but at the same time it's giving a good density where you can go in and cut layers in it just in case you want that, them curls to be stacked and more full. But overall this wig is a really full wig and a really great density. But wow, Alipearl, wow, you really outdone yourself this time. I am amazed. This wig, like, even up close, like down to the lace, I think the lace was HD, and then the part, how they got the part, like you could not see any knots when it came to that part right there that they was giving. I couldn't get rid of that part also, which was a little concerning for me, but I think if I actually went in and washed the hair, then the part would kind of disappear. But they had that part in there, and might I add, the part did look amazing, up close and personal, everything. Overall, the wig, A plus. I really, really love this wig, and them curls was the curls that originated from this wig. I did not recurl this wig at all, and I'm still currently wearing this wig, and the curls are still intact, y'all. So I'm just going to end it at that. And let me just say this: if you decide not to purchase another wig for the remaining of 2023, I promise you, you're going to want to make this one your last wig you purchased in 2023. You can see it, the wig is sick. But you guys, let me know what you think in the comment section down below. What style are you rocking with this wig? Let me know in the comment section. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video.